Science. What's the point? It's just a waste of time.
How can we change this view that's often heard in classrooms across the country? Over 4 years, teachers and researchers have worked together to develop and trial a new approach to engaging students with science. It's based on the concept of science capital, all the science-related knowledge, resources and stuff that makes a student feel, yes, science is for me, or not. This teaching approach helps more students to relate to science. It doesn't involve new materials or changes to the existing curriculum. It's a teaching mindset that links science with what matters to students most, their interests, aspirations and daily lives. Underlying the approach is the idea of broadening what counts as ways of doing science. By thinking about the culture within their classroom and diversifying ways of engaging with science, teachers can reach out beyond the confident high flyers and help more students to express themselves. The approach is based on 3 main pillars: personalising and localising science by teaching science through students' personal interests and grounding it within local areas and community issues; eliciting and valuing students' outside school experiences as ways of understanding and learning science, and linking students' contributions to curriculum science; building students' science capital by tweaking lesson plans so that students see science in their daily lives and recognise that learning science is useful for any job. It takes a little time to get to grips with the approach, but it works. Evidence shows that the approach produced better student engagement with science, especially among quiet and disengaged students, improved student understanding and interest in science, more positive student attitudes to science, and easier behaviour management. Teachers said that even some of their most challenging students would sit up like meerkats, and happier teachers who are now sharing the approach with their colleagues and schools. Want to know more or maybe get involved? Please get in touch.